Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the 9D cat eye gel polishes by BornPrettyStore. So I recently received my giveaway prize from BornPrettyStore and it had 8 to 9 different 9D cat eye gels. So I thought I should review this as I also have 2 magnetic sticks from BornPrettyStore and it also came with a brush. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first up, I'm going to be using this black polish from BornPrettyStore, and this is not a gel polish, it's actually a peel-off nail polish, but you can use any black polish below this. And black polish is very important for the cat eye gels to pop out, so you definitely need to use a black polish as your base. So along with this, they also sent me this magnetic stick, and this one is a dual-ended magnetic stick. So one side has a rectangular magnet attached to it, and the other one has a circular magnet. So if you guys don't have a magnetic stick, you can definitely use any magnet that's lying around and it should form a certain design. So I also got a brush along with these cat eye gels, and this brush is amazing. It also comes along with a cap, so it keeps it super clean, and I absolutely love the sparkling stones at the bottom of the brush. So for my video today, I'm going to be using 3 different cat eye gels, and they are actually named after cities or countries. So the first one here is called Fantasy Babylon. So basically this polish contains magnetic particles, and you can see how the magnet kind of attracts these particles towards it. So that's the entire concept behind these cat eye gels. So the second one here is called Romantic Turkey, and I was just playing around with the magnet and this polish, and then this happened. And this is so mesmerizing. I absolutely love the concept of these cat eye gels. So the last one that I have here today is called Enchanted Nepal, and this is kind of a brown golden kind of polish. All of these are absolutely stunning. With the help of the brush, I'm going to be applying a layer of this cat eye polish over my black polish, and as you can see, the color is spread all over my nail right now. But while you get the magnetic stick closer to this, all of the magnetic particles, they kind of form a single line. So this kind of gives it a cat eye kind of effect. And once you do that, you need to immediately cure this under the UV lamp. So if you don't cure this immediately, then these magnetic particles are dispersed and you won't see any pattern that's formed. So I'm going to be repeating these steps for the other polishes. So next I'm going to be using the brown golden polish, and using the circular polish I just formed a straight line, and this was much visible in the video, so you can see how that line was formed. And once I'm done curing that, I'm going to be applying my gel top coat and curing that as well. So I will be repeating the same steps for my other nail, and here you can see I just use a circular magnet at the center of my nail, and all of the particles are kind of concentrated at the center of my nail, and this kind of gives it a solar system kind of effect. And then when applying my second polish and kind of forming that line, it definitely looks like a planet. So if you see this in real, then you can definitely see that 3D kind of effect that it's supposed to give, but I'm not very sure about the 9D effect, but it definitely is an interesting concept. And I'm just going to be showing you guys the different patterns I created using this on my other nails. So final thoughts, I'm absolutely impressed by this concept, and I'm definitely going to be using this again. So if you guys like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below what you think of these cat eye gels. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.